we have to solve an equation. First of all, we have to think what kind of equation is given to us. It's not a linear equation because we have x to the second power. When we have x to the second power, it means this equation is a quadratic equation, and we have to use a quadratic formula. X equal to negative b plus minus square root b to the second power minus 4ac, and all this over 2a. You have to memorize this formula. Right now, we are not allowed to use this formula because we don't have 0 on one side. First of all, we have to move 3 to the other side. 3 minus 3 will cancel out, and on the left we will have 10x to the second power minus 15x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now my equation looks good, and I can use the quadratic formula. Let's write the coefficients down. A is 10, b is the number in front of x, that it's negative 15, and c is a constant, that is negative 3. Let's use the formula. X equal negative, and my b is negative 15. I will put it inside of parentheses. Plus minus square root, again, negative 15. I will put inside of parentheses, minus 4 times 10 and times negative 3 over 2 times 10. Some people like type this problem on the calculator from beginning to the end and calculate the answer. But from my teaching experience, I saw so many times that students made mistakes. So let's simplify first. Negative and negative will give you positive. So we have positive 15 plus minus square root. And now we will calculate the number under the radical. I have negative 15 inside of parentheses. I have to type negative 15 inside of parentheses to the second power, minus 4 times 10 times negative 3. And I got the number 345 over 2 times 10 is 20. Okay, so let's calculate. We have 15 plus square root of 345 divided by positive 20. And if you look at my calculator, I made a mistake. It's a really common mistake. I put parentheses under the radical, so it's not where I have to put my parentheses. I have to move to the right and now close the parentheses, divide by 20, and my answer is 1.67, and I will change 8 to 9. Okay, now I will have to calculate when I subtract the radical, 345, and let's calculate. Parentheses 15 minus square root of 345, move to the right, divide by 20, and the answer is negative 0.17, and again I have to round up, and it will be 9 here. So this is my first solution, and this is my second solution to this equation.